And what would I say to every other professional athlete or just person, period, is just, live your authentic life. Realize that there's support there waiting for you, and it's the only thing I can say about encouraging people to, be their true self.
I think there's a more open-minded attitude about all lifestyles in general, and it's just time. It's like sports is the last frontier. Get some of these guys in the locker room to sort of pick it up and not be like what they do, the harassment and stuff. It would be great.
Just the whole stigma involved with, gay players and people. It's something that, especially in pro sports, you're displaying your manliness, and it's all about masculinity. And I mean, the fact that he's able to do that and do his thing, I mean, it's epic.
Yeah, I think more gay players will come into the NBA and confident, because then now they have someone that they got accepted in, and they'll be confident to come in.